Alright, I got ahead of myself and started fixing it before I was recording. So as you can see, from this side, got all that and under here. But let me show y'all how I'm doing it. Tucking it in the sides, smoothing it out, and then take the peel. You can see it right here. Y'all probably can't, but smooth it out. Feel it. Uh-oh, baby, it might go. Come on. See that tuck in part? We gotta take that off. Come on. Come on. This part right here. Come on, we're being so damn difficult. Look. Tuck right in there. Pull this out. A little bit right now. Come on, man. Take all this shit off. Hold on. Truck. That's supposed to be over there more. Fuck. Alright, so I got half of that done, as y'all can see. Looks better than that, don't y'all agree? Now watch this. Stretch. What y'all think? Hey, I know, get a new couch. But hey, I'm a content creator. So I'm just showing y'all if it's a no or a go for the Temu couch repair, leather repair. So y'all let me know. You know. It looks better than it did, I got to admit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all let me know. I might clean it up right there. But I ain't really tripping. So now, look, y'all didn't even know that I did these, huh? I did this. I did this. Now I'm about to do this part so it just all blends in. Stay tuned. Now I must say, that ain't bad. That is not bad. Look at that. Hey, so y'all let me know if it's a no or a go on the Temu shit. God excuse me, man. This shit's gonna irritate me until I get it fixed. But yeah, what y'all think? Me personally, I think it look all right. I think it looks all right. Let me know in the comments.